Hey guys, it's your man GS002 coming back at you with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at Bandai's DX Shigoken 1/48 scale VF-1A Angel Birds edition. My understanding is that the Angel Birds is it's a manga that exists within the Macross universe. I never really got into it, but I do try to collect any Macross figures that I think are cool. So that's what we're looking at. This does come in a brown shipper box marked with VF-1A at the top and some Japanese. I didn't bother taking it out of the box because everybody should know how to put up a box. So anyway, let's take a look at the packaging real quick. So you got the front here, you got the side, got the back, very nice. Then you have this side, unless I looked at that side already. Okay, no, I don't think I did. So now here we go. We got that side, and then we're going to do the two ends here. So we've got this guy, and then we've got this guy. Apologies for the screen jostling. Some other folks, complained about it. I need to get some cameras, stands and some better stuff. But anyway. We'll go ahead and open up this box and see what's inside. Sit tight, guys. All right, guys, so we're back. So there's quite a bit of materials in this box. You have the instructions here, several trays. So let's go over what's in the first tray. We got the gun, fixed pose hands. We have our intake covers. We have, looks like something related to the flight stand here. Have a couple of antennas for gear walk mode. Looks like more stand accessories. We have some fixed post cartoon hands. And then it looks like these guys are cavity fillers for when the figure is in Batroid mode. And of course you got the figure itself. Okay, and so the second carton here, this looks really cool. So we have well, that's okay. That's more. Oh, it comes with a blue stand. Oh man. Oh wow. Okay, so it comes with an extra special edition stand, it looks like. And then we have the tail markers for the various members of the Angel Birds team. Okay, that's very cool. So yeah, so like I normally do, this is going to be checking out the packaging, unboxing, which we've already done both of those. Next, we're going to review the figure in all three of its modes. So let me go ahead and get everything set up with that, and I'll be right back with you guys. All right, guys, so here we're back. So here is the figure out of the box in fighter mode. I really like it. The paint looks really, really good. It's got the standard ailerons or flaps combined for the wings. One on either wing here. You do have tail marker 1 that's already populated out of the box. Just look at the decals here. Like, it looks very, very nice. Just gonna kind of go around the bottom here. And this is a VF-1A. Whoops. Which is similar to Max's Valk. So it's got the single head laser there. See, I didn't put those intake covers on. And we're just going to kind of come around and look at everything. Yeah, everything looks really, really good. I'm very pleased with this figure so far. But Bandai, they do have a very high standard of quality. So anyway, yeah, this is what I expect from Bandai. So when I come back, looks like we do have some hard points on the wings. So when I come back, I will have some weapons populated, and I also have another figure from my collection, just so you can see how it stacks up against some of the other fellow 1/48 scale vehicles. Be right back. All right, guys, we're back. So I put some ordnance on the wings. Looks very, very nice. Looks very good. Didn't have the canopy open before, but here you go. Just kind of look around in there, see all that canopy detail or the cockpit detail. Coming around to the other side here, like I said, everything looks, amazing as per a Bandai standard. So yeah, let me zoom out. We got the VF-1J kind of sitting right next to it here. Let's just kind of get them both in so they can be seen in the single shot. Yeah, looks good. I approve. All right, guys. We're going to move on to the next part of the review. Hold tight. Hey, guys, we're back. So we have the VF-1A Angel Birds and the Gearwalk configuration. Put the antenna up there because I figured you guys would want to see that. I wanted to see it as well. I got the gun. He's holding the gun. Very, very nice. As per usual. Now, one thing that was kind of a bummer, these little hard points right here, there's a plastic, they're mounted on like a plastic panel. And one of the things I noticed is that when I was taking the coordinates off, that plastic panel had a tendency to pull away from the wing. It's a very similar issue that affects the VF-1J. So I was a little bummed out by that because I thought that Bandai would have that issue fixed by now. Even though the Angel Birds, came out a while ago, I'm just now getting to open it up. But yeah, just wanted to mention that. That's the only issue that I've seen so far. Everything else, I like the look a lot. Like I said, these 1/48 scale VF1s, they're all fairly similar with construction. They just have different paint apps, but given Bandai's record of great quality, I just wanted to mention that one thing, but I'm very impressed with this so far. Anyway, let me take this guy down, transform this guy into Batroid mode, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. So after transforming that guy into Batroid mode, excuse me, sorry about that, guys, had a little malfunction with some gum. Yeah, transforming this guy into Batroid mode, it looks excellent. I did install the cavity filters. Just wanted to see how that looked. But yeah, it looks amazing. One of the things I try to do is really for judging a figure is to see if it'll, get in this really aggressive, hips forward pose. And it certainly pulls that off very nicely. So we're just going to kind of circle around here, just kind of look at everything. Again, we've seen VF1s, seen plenty of VF1s. I don't see a lot of people that have the Angel Birds version, 1/48 scale VF1, so that was one of the main reasons why I got it. It's a certainly unique paint scheme. And yeah, I mean, it looks very nice. So let me grab a couple of other bots that I have in my collection, and we'll see how this one looks when it's hanging out with some fellow travelers. Sit tight. All right, guys, here we are. So we're back. We have the Angel Birds with a couple of other Bandai 1/48 scale figures. This is the Hayao Kakazaki 1/48 scale, and this is, of course, our beloved VF1S in 1/48 scale. And I gotta say, they all look excellent together. They really, really do. Well, anyway, this is it for me, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you want to, leave some comments about it, that'd be great. And like I said, I'm going to be uploading more regular content, so feel free to subscribe and like the video if you actually liked it. And I'll hit you guys up on the next one. Take care.